Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiru. This week we're going to be doing a fruit cake. To enrich the flavor of the cake, we're going to boil some ingredients, and these are 300 grams of raisins, quarter cup of butter. I diced mine into cubes, 3 cinnamon sticks or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 cup of cold water, and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to stir this mixture and let it boil gently on low heat for 5 minutes. After boiling, we'll let it cool down for at least 45 minutes. In a different container, we'll add in 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to whisk this. We'll then add in the mixture once it's cool, and we're going to add 2 eggs. Then mix by folding the flour into the mixture. Once we're done mixing, we'll add in the cake mixture into the baking trays. I used a loaf tin and a round baking tray. In a preheated oven, bake this for 60 minutes at a temperature of 155 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, let it cool down completely before cutting it. Thank you for watching this week's video, and if you liked it, please do consider subscribing.